A healthy diet refers to a way of eating that provides the necessary nutrients, energy, and sustenance to support overall well-being and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. A well-balanced and nutritious diet typically includes a variety of foods from different food groups in appropriate proportions. Here are some key principles of a healthy diet. Variety. Consuming a wide range of foods ensures that you receive a diverse array of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that your body needs for optimal functioning. Balanced nutrient intake. A healthy diet includes adequate amounts of macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, as well as micronutrients, vitamins and minerals, to meet your body's requirements. Fruits and vegetables. These are rich sources of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Aim to include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your meals. Whole grains. Choose whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat, and oats over refined grains, as they provide more nutrients and fiber. Lean proteins. Include sources of lean protein like poultry, fish, beans, lentils, tofu, and nuts. Protein is essential for tissue repair and overall body functions. Healthy fats. Consume unsaturated fats found in foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Limit saturated and trans fats, which can contribute to heart disease. Moderation. Practice portion control to prevent overeating and excessive calorie intake. Be mindful of portion sizes, especially for energy-dense foods. Limit added sugars. Reduce the consumption of sugary foods and beverages. Opt for natural sources of sweetness like fruits. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay properly hydrated. Water supports various bodily functions and can aid in digestion. Minimize processed foods. Limit highly processed and packaged foods that often contain additives, preservatives, and unhealthy levels of sodium and sugar. Limit sodium intake. Reduce your sodium intake by minimizing the consumption of high-sodium foods like processed meats, canned soups, and fast food. Mindful eating. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eat slowly and savor your meals, which can help prevent overeating. Physical activity. A healthy diet is complemented by regular physical activity. Engage in regular exercise to support your overall health and well-being. Personalization. Individual nutritional needs vary based on factors like age, gender, activity level, and health conditions. Consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized guidance. Remember that a healthy diet is not just about short-term goals, but about adopting sustainable eating habits that promote long-term health and well-being. It's also important to note that cultural preferences and dietary restrictions can influence what constitutes a healthy diet for each individual.